because we're going on a Disney. Ang pagta-travel ay isa sa mga wais na investment na magagawa mo. Yung experience, yung memories, yung learnings na makukuha mo, hanggat may isip ka, hindi to mawawala. Learn to celebrate life. Travel as many places as you can. Learn and discover new cultures, and even try out foods you haven't tasted before. We can always hustle to make money for a living, but we can never turn back the clock to experience real happiness and the most fulfilling life that we'd always wanted. Sabi nga nila, maikli lang ang buhay, kaya make most out of it. Grand Prairie Airport. Unang flight namin papuntang Orlando International Airport. Dito kailangan namin bumiyahe ng halos 6 na oras. Kinuha namin yung unang schedule ng flight para makarating ng mas maaga at syempre para ma-enjoy pa namin ng hotel. Hyatt Regency Hotel. Ito yung hotel na nasa loob ng Orlando International Airport. Kapag nag-purchase ka ng ticket sa Disney Cruise Line, you need to stay one night kasi dito magagaling yung shuttle bus na sasakyan ninyo papuntang cruise terminal. Isa sa mga benefits ng pag-stay dito sa Hyatt ay yung less hassle dahil sila na yung magta-transfer ng luggage ninyo papuntang shuttle bus all the way sa barkong sasakyan ninyo. Pangalawa, mas makakakuha ka ng port arrival time ng pinakamaaga dahil ikaw yung priority. Ito na yung pinakahihintay naming araw. Dito kailangan namin magpa-register muna kung saan bibigyan kayo ng mga character. Ito yung guide nyo para malaman kung anong shuttle bus ang inyong sasakyan. Iba talaga ang excitement kapag una mong makikita yung barko. Port Canaveral. Ito yung terminal kung saan manggagaling yung barko. Dito may port arrival time kang hihintayin bago ka makapasok. Pero marami ka naman pwedeng gawin. Sa case namin, nagpicture muna kami. Pagpasok mo sa entrance, ganito kaagad ang sasalubong sa iyo with matching announcement ng family name. Ready! Family yun! Dahil hindi pa ready yung stateroom namin, kumain muna kami. At nag-start na rin kami mag-explore ng barko. Kapag nakapasok na lahat ng guests dito, saka pa lang mag-i-start at i-gather lahat ng guests para i-discuss lahat ng safety precautions na gagawin in case of emergency. Para lang din sa aeroplano, by the way, 0% pa naman ang history ng Disney, pero syempre, they need to make sure na safe ang travel ng bawat guest. After ng mandatory fire drill, merong sail away party sa deck number 14. Ito yung pa-welcome party ng Disney Fantasy Cruise. At this point, after nito, lahat pwede mo nang gawin. Day 2 and 3. Ito yung tinatawag nilang Day at the Sea. Dito pwede mong ma-explore yung barko kasi meron kang halos 48 hours para maglibot-libot. At ganito yung loob ng barko. Merong sinihan na tinatawag nilang Buena Vista Theater at Walt Disney Theater. D-Lunch kung saan ginagawa yung iba't ibang activity para sa all age. May mga daycare centers. Merong Marvel Academy Room. Superhero Academy, Spider-Man in the house. Here we go. Spider-Man, Ant-Man, ano yan? The Avengers Assembly. Doctor Strange. Merong gym na hindi mo kailangan ng membership. So, ganito yung gym nila dito sa may cruise ship. So, lahat na equipment meron dito. So, good exercise for this one. And then, nasa season siya. Maganda yung view din. May shopping center na parang nasa mall ka. At merong malaking pool na panglahatan. At kung gusto mo naman mag-solo, pwede ka naman sa adult pool. Only adult nga lang. Meron silang hot tub. Meron din silang water splash park. Meron aqueduct na bonggang-bonggang water slide. There we go, ate. Merong guest service na 24 hours. After 1 hour, ready na yung stateroom nyo. So, ganito yung itsura nun.
So this is our room 8120.
Okay, so this is our key to the ward card.
Wait, this is a key to our room.
So, it's like all-in-one na. So, we have stateroom key plus the credit card. So, let's try to look. Open it. One more ate. There we go. So, we're gonna
Wow.
visit our stateroom. So, ito yung kinuha namin kasama sa package sa Disney Cruise Line.
So I'm gonna give you a tour in our room. So this is the toilet.
That's the toilet. So, split bathroom siya.
And
And
then
then
this is
The
shower.
shower.
Where you take the bath.
Okay.
And this is kind of a little spa, so.
Okay. And then we have closet.
Then we have closets to put your things, and this is the door to the other neighbors.
So we have lampshade.
We have a lamp of a bath, and it's really nice.
And then we have
And this
queen
queen
size
size
bed.
bed.
So we have another bed here. The sofa bed. You need to pull it down here. There we go. Yeah. There we go. So there. We go. So you can sleep here. Another bed. Plus one more bed here at the top. So you need a key
So we
to
need
pull
a
it down. And then another
And then
bed
another
here.
bed
So you need a key and then pull it down. And
And then we
also we have
a little
veranda
balcony.
balcony.
Wow.
So we need to unlock this one.
You have neighbor.
Yeah, we
It's
have
carnival.
a neighbor.
So we have balcony here.
Da, 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 da.
Yeah. For 1 week we're gonna spend in 1 week here. Wow.
I know.
Yeah, and then also we have like some cabinets here, and then we have flat screen TV.
Little fast
Yeah, so we have sockets, plugs. Yeah, plugs, and also you can.
We have the
put-
fridge. Show the fridge.
Show the fridge. We have
Little
fridge.
fridge.
Little fridge here.
There.
Yeah, and then have another cabinet there. So this is it. Yeah, so makikita mo talaga lahat. Tatak Disney.
And
Yeah,
there
so we have
is,
Disney picture frame.
and there's
So
curtains
curtain, so
here.
you can pull this one, so for privacy, and then you can pull it down, and then
Nice.
wow. So that's all for today.
Bye! Hiya! Wow!
Pumunta naman tayo sa paborito ng lahat, ang mga pagkain. Dito everyday, iba't ibang restaurant ang kakainan nyo. Every night, meron silang 3 rotational dining. Iba't ibang menu at pwede mong orderin. Dito lahat pwede mong kainin. Eat all you can. Kasama lahat yan sa binayaran nyo. Meron silang cabanas na buffet. May pizza, burger, lahat meron. Meron silang animator's palette kung saan pwede kang mag-drawing ng gusto mong character, and later on ipapalabas nila sa malaking TV screen. Meron Enchanted Garden. Merong Royal Court. Na feel mo yung ambience ng mga royal family dahil sa service nila. Dahil meron kaming royal gatherings appointment na naka-schedule, so nag-decide kami na bumili ng package sa BBD Babidi Boutique. Ito yung isa sa mga extra na babayaran nyo sa cruise. So dito may make-upan yung anak nyo. Parang gagawin siyang mga prinsipe at prinsesa. So ganito siya. pwede ka magpa-picture sa iba't ibang Disney character. Yung photo package, highly recommended siya. Kasi dito hindi mo na kailangan magdala ng camera. Kailangan mo lang itap yung key to the word card and ready to go na sila. Pwede ka na magpa-picture kahit saan. Napakaraming pwedeng gawin sa barko. Napakaraming activity na pwede nyong gawin. Pwede kayong mag-bingo. Pwede rin kayong mag-craps. O kaya makapag-interact sa mga Disney characters. Pwede kayong mag-swimming, pwede kayong kumain, pwede kayong matulog. Lahat ng trip nyo sa buhay, pwedeng pwede. Gabi-gabi meron silang Broadway show na dapat na huwag nyong palalampasin. Meron silang Aladdin, Frozen, at meron din silang mga magic show. Circus, kung saan dito nyo lang mapapanood only sa Disney Cruise. After formal night, merong 25th anniversary celebration sa deck number 14. Dito merong fireworks display.
To those memories and those wishes up into the 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's blow that kiss.
Sa itinerary namin, meron 2 fireworks display na mangyayari. Isa sa Pirate Night at isa sa 25th anniversary.
And crazy. The music of Hard's life. Welcome aboard!
Dahil Eastern Caribbean ang destination namin, nag-stop over yung cruise namin sa Tortola, British Island. Dito meron kang chance na ma-explore yung island. Dahil mahilig kami sa beach, ang pinuntahan namin ay yung Cane Garden Bay. 15 to 25 minutes lang to from the cruise port to beach. Only $24 round trip na yun. Mapapansin mo na halos walang bubong yung mga bahay, puro sementado dahil tong island na to, daanan talaga ng bagyo, madalas hurricane pa. Kaya sinisigurado nila na matitibay dapat ang mga bahay na tinatayo nila. Crystal clear water, meron ding restaurant and bar, at syempre, libre ang entrance. Day 4 St. Thomas, dito masarap mag-shopping dahil mas mura ang mga bilihin kaysa sa Tortola. At ang trip namin ngayon ay puntahan yung Megans Bay, isa sa mga top beaches in Caribbean Islands, at ganito yun.
So St. Thomas, the water so clear. You can see it. Crystal clear. Para siyang swimming pool. Holy cow, ang ganda. Ang ganda. Megans Bay, St. Thomas.
Day 7, ito na yung pinaka-highlights at pinaka-magandang part ng aming bakasyon. Kasi mag-i-stop over ang aming barko sa Disney Castaway Cay. Ito yung private island na binili ng Disney.
Yan.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, mga boss madam. So we're here in Disney Castaway Cay. So this is a private island in Bahamas. So we're here in the last highlights of our cruise.
Pelican Plunge. So here we go, gonna slide. Hi ate, are you excited? Aqua Trike. Oh, here we go. Woo! Ate, ay,
Hi! It's so much fun. I can steer it. You can just pedal. I can steer it.
We're heading over there. Hingal pala to. On the ship. Come on. We're in the middle of nowhere. Oh, let's go, Johan. Johan. Pagkagaling ng Castaway Cay, kailangan nyo na mag-impake kasi babalik na kayo ng Port Canaveral. Dito, need nyo munang magpaalam sa server nyo, sa mga nakilala nyo. Nakakalungkot kasi, alam mo, matagal na ulit to bago maulit. Pero masaya ako. Masaya ako, hindi lang dun sa time na nasa cruise ka. Masaya ako kasi sinulit ko yung mga araw at pati gabi ng travel namin. Nakakatawa kasi habang ginagawa ko yung vlog na to, naalala ko yung amoy ng dagat, yung amoy ng barko pagpasok mo, yung ngiti ng mga bata, yung lasa ng lobster na kinain mo. At syempre naalala ko na buo kami as a family. Isa lang ang na-realize ko, yung mga ibang bagay nawawala. Pero family is forever.